Woo, great drink. Gotta try this one. Howdy, it's Doc Martinez, and being born and raised in the great state of Texas, I would not want to miss the opportunity to celebrate Texas Independence Day.
Today we're going to make what I like to call a Texas Independent Old Fashioned.
Texas Independence Day is a celebration of the adoption of the Texas Declaration of Independence on March 2nd, 1836 from Mexico, and established the Republic of Texas. In San Antonio, the Alamo was under siege by the Mexican general Antonio de Santana. Santana ordered his troops to invade the Alamo on March 6th. The Alamo was seized. All the Texans and American defenders were murdered in fierce hand-to-hand combat when Santa Anna instructed that no prisoners should be taken. 6 weeks later, at San Jacinto, a huge Texas army led by General Sam Houston surprised Santa Anna's forces. The Texans overpowered the Mexicans and took Santa Anna while chanting the rallying cry, "Remember the Alamo." The dictator was forced to acknowledge Texas independence and withdraw his troops south of the Rio Grande. 9 years after the Texas Declaration of Independence was written, the Republic of Texas was annexed by the United States by the collective agreement of the United States Congress. Cocktail quiz time! What popular soda was created in Texas and is the oldest soft drink in the U.S.? Texas Independence Day is an opportunity to honor the sacrifice of those who fought for Texas independence. Their names are not forgotten, and their deeds remain fresh in the memories of their successors. The Lone Star State is famous for its barbecue, beef brisket, chili, Tex-Mex dishes, chile, salsa, margaritas, Frito pie, Dr. Pepper, Shiner Bock beer, and a number of other foods and drink options. You know what they say, everything is bigger in Texas, so let's get to making a Texas Independent Old Fashioned. Ingredients. Let's start by smoking the glass with mesquite wood. We'll let that sit on the side and smoke for a while as we're making the rest of the drink. Next, we'll add ice to a mixing glass. We'll add half an ounce of Texas local honey, which I warmed up to make it easy to pour. 4 dashes of pecan bitters. Since this is Texas, we're going to pour 4 ounces, not 2 ounces of Garrison Brothers. We're going to stir till chilled. Strain into a mesquite smoked double old-fashioned glass with a large ice cube. Next, we'll garnish with a candied Texas pecan. Cocktail quiz time. What popular soda was created in Texas and is the oldest soft drink in the U.S.? The answer is Dr. Pepper was created in Waco, Texas in 1885 by a pharmacist named Charles Anderton. Well, here you have it. The Texas Independent Old Fashioned. A large drink for a Texas-sized thirst. Cheers. Woo, great drink. Gotta try this one. If you like this video, make sure to check out the next one on this screen.